So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a debit card to your account here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, just go to the bottom right, press on Profile, then where it says Payment Methods right here, go ahead and press on that. Then at the top, it'll say Add Credit or Debit Card. So if you go ahead and press on that option right here, you can actually add your debit card by filling in your card number, your expiry date, your code, as well as your billing address. And if all looks good, it'll be green right here at the bottom that says add card. You can press on add card this way and now add your debit card as a payment option. Another way you can do it as well is go to the bottom left, press on buy, select a ticket. I'll use Noel Miller as an example. If I were to go ahead and buy this where it says payment right here, you can press on add a new card and add your debit card this way to complete the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add a debit card to your account on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.